Alright, so it's Friday, 4th of June, and non-farm payroll day just passed. The announcement, we went up by around 15 points on the news of missing the actual number. So bad is good. And here we are in the big picture. Right. So this is 94, 95 where the news came out, and we tagged the 04 MCV book. So that's a 60-minute chart. In the last couple of weeks we've balanced and tested the high of the range and the low of the range, and we've just gone back to the most traded price of the range, 204. So we're in complete balance, and the overall trend is up. As you can see, we have a higher high and a higher low. So my main scenario expectation for a move today is to the upside. That'd be my scenario one. And scenario two will be having tested the VPOC. If we form some sort of a head and shoulders and we continue lower. So that'll be my scenario 2 on the 60-minute chart on the big picture. Alright, let's just transfer that to the 15-minute. Here we are. This will give us a better view. Right, okay, so here we are, 207 currently, just below the overnight high. The MCV book, the pink line is at 204, so we're just above it. Scenario 1 is we test lower from 207. Just expand this a little bit. Okay, so scenario 1 is test lower to top of the range at 02 or to the century figure at 200. And then continue higher to 15. Prior week's high, and 2 days ago high. Pull back and continue and get to the 26 HVN. So this is a range of around 28 points for Friday, and after the NFP is a bit ambitious, so maybe we won't get as far, but that's scenario 1 nevertheless. If we test lower, to the VPOC at 195, then we won't get as high and we'll probably balance out slightly after the taking out the prior week's high, so something like that. Scenario 2 in green, we open, we head higher, we currently at 08, we open, we test the 15, take out the overnight high, test the 15 prior week high, and dive back into the range, test the 04 VPOC and the 95 MC VPOC, the NFC, and I don't expect it to go as lower than the 195, 196, 190 LVN. Scenario 2. Having gone back into the middle of the balanced area, the all-time highs within 30 points. So if we have scenario 3, we trend up and we get to the all-time high, 38, 32, 38. And scenario 4, if we take out the overnight high at 10 quarter, quickly sell off down to the prior weekly low at 173. The scenario 4. $73.74. So again, most likely scenario is to continue having tested lower. We continue the bull trend. And scenario 2 is if we've exhausted our buyers and we found our sellers, we continue lower and we revisit the bulk of the profile from yesterday. So that's it.